This is the TP-Link AV1000 setup. It's actually one of the most simple routers that I've ever set up. Simply, you plug these in to two wall outlets, one near your home router and one near your piano or Xbox, whatever you're going to use. Now, once these devices are both plugged in, you're simply going to press this pair button here, run to the other device, and press this pair button. Then in a matter of a minute or so, once these two devices are paired, it'll transfer the internet directly from this device to this device so that you can get internet to your piano or to your Xbox. Now, the only catch with using this device is that technically these two devices have to be on the same electrical circuit. Now, if you're an electrician, you'll understand that in your home you have different circuits throughout the house. This router has worked successfully for me only if the environment permits it. It all depends on how close your router is to the device you'd like to connect a strong internet connection to. That's all I have to say. Just plug this in both to an outlet, to the Ethernet port. Same for this one. Press the pair buttons and you're ready to go.